viewers, welcome to BVM Global Paramedics Radio Show. I am Amrita from Class 12, RJ for this show. Today's show leads the way to an insight into Make in India program. It is my great pleasure to welcome Mr. Sujit Sukumar, a faculty of BVM Global Paramedics. Mr. Sujit Sukumar is an economic educator and analyst of economic current affairs, who is going to talk to us about the topic Make in India, a zero effect and zero defect policy. Thank you for joining us, sir. Sir, could you please briefly elucidate Make in India program for our viewers?
Thank you, Amrita. I am so glad to be a part of BVM Global PR Radio Show. To answer to this question, I would like to take you all to the background of this policy. In 2013, India was in a severe economic crisis when the emerging market had crashed and growth rate had fallen drastically. The global investors were contemplating their investment in India. The Make in India initiative started by Government of India on 25th September 2014 aimed at facilitating investment, foster innovation, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property and build manufacturing infrastructure. For contribution of at least 25% of GDP by 2022, the manufacturing sector growth should be 12 to 14% per annum, higher than the GDP rate. Make in India is a type of Swadeshi movement, covering 25 sectors of the economy. It includes automobile, aviation, biotechnology, chemicals, construction, defense production, electrical machinery, food process, IT, pharmaceutical industries, shipping, railway and tourism, etc.
Thank you, sir. It is very clear from your talk that Make in India program aims at promoting products produced in India. But does the current consumer behavior complement the program, or are we the promoters of Swadeshi in products? Indian products is a part of domestic consumer or citizen.
The question which I would like to ask is, are we even aware of Indian products? Consumption pattern and consumer behavior has changed drastically over the last centuries. If we do a utility study, we would be able to understand that people are more interested to buy imported goods. Now with online shopping, people have many options and definitely it enhances the trade. However, we should try the domestic products produced in India. This promotion of Indian products is not new concept. Who is responsible for? Not only government, right? We, the people also. When we have to promote Indian products, we at least know about such products. Am I right? I can give you few basic consumer goods that are a part of our daily lives but are foreign products. These products have become a part of our Indian household just like Indian products. Tata, Mahindra, Hindustan Motors are Indian car companies, whereas Hyundai, Chevrolet, Ford, Nissan are foreign car companies. HCL, Micromax, Reliance are Indian computer products. HP, Dell, Microsoft, Samsung, Motorola, Sony, LG are foreign companies. Now let's see the most demanded cosmetics industries. Neem, Borosil, Boroplus, Himani Gold, Lavender, Synthol are made by Indian companies, whereas Lakme, Pond's, Dettol, Johnson Baby are made by foreign companies. Micromax, Carbon, Lava are Indian mobile manufacturers, whereas Samsung, Apple, HTC, Sony are foreign mobile manufacturers. Himalaya, Nirma, Velvete are Indian made shampoos, whereas Clinic All Clear, Sunsilk, Head and Shoulders are foreign made shampoos. The list goes on. Awareness is the key.
Sir, our viewers would be waiting to hear the future prospects of Make in India.
The Make in India campaign, the government wants an image makeover for India, making it an ideal destination for manufacturing, which would be a big thrust to Indian economy, increase employment and also add to the GDP. We still have a long way to go, but the good news is young hosts like you are taking about it, and this will get a change. You are the future of our nation. I am sure with the awareness being created, we will see a huge shift in the consumer buying behavior.
Could you please tell us what are the achievements of Make in India program?
We still have a long way to go, but we have stories to be proud of as well. In aviation, 29% of passengers are now being carried by domestic Indian airlines, and in 13 cities, the operation of domestic cargo terminals has started. In defense, with 95% local source, defense products are manufactured in India. In railways, Gandhiman Express, manufactured in India, is the fastest Indian train which covers 188 kilometers in 1 hour and 40 minutes. In textile and garments, 100% FDI is allowed. The Government of India is implementing the scheme for integrated textile park, which provides support for the creation of world-class infrastructure facilities for setting up textile units. Under Pahchan initiative, 23.68 lakh artisans have been provided ID cards. Total raw silks production increased by 11% during 18-19. Khadi Village Industries Commission records highest ever turnover in financial year 2021. India's overall textile exports have been increased. These all are different achievements of Make in India program.
Sir, thank you so much for sharing such fascinating facts about our own country. It was a very informative session. I hope all of viewers would have learned from it and enjoyed it.
Thank you. I hope young hosts like you will be the drivers for change. Vocal for local should be our new mantra.
Dear viewers, we are the ones who should take the responsibility to promote Make in India program. Use Indian products instead of imported goods, and promoting sustainable development would be a key in today's time. As citizens of India, we are responsible for its development. Thank you.